Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Olivia. I make videos about sewing, gardening, natural medicine, thrifting, embroidery machines, things like that. Today, really quick, I'm going to show you how to thread a Brother SE700. So I have this Brother, and I also have this Brother, and they are threaded the exact same. So I'm assuming all Brothers are the same, so I'm going to just say how to thread a Brother. First things first, whatever thread you're using, you're going to want to put a net over it. And then what you're going to do is put it on. Take the cover and put it on top. So once you have it set up here, you're going to go under first, under behind this, number 2, follow it down, make sure your needle is in the up position because you'll see the silver bit that you got to go behind. I don't know if you could see. I don't know if you can see, but the thread went behind that silver piece and caught. Now we're getting into the needle. Okay, so you see the number 6 and this little bar below it? You are going to get the thread inside of this bar. Alright, so watch. I hold it from the top and the bottom and just slide it in like that. And now you're going to thread your needle, which there is a self-threader, but it only works like 5% of the time for me. So I just like to do it by hand because it's a lot faster, but there you go. That is how you thread a Brother machine. Then real quick, since my other machine is in use right now, I'm going to show you how the bobbin should go in on a Brother. It's the exact same on the other machine. Remove the plate. Alright, let's pretend this is a brand new bobbin. See how the thread is going that way? Just like the picture on the plate, drop it in and follow the arrows over, around, cut. And put your plate back on, you're good. To show you, this other machine is the exact same, except I don't use a net around the thread. Connected inside. For the other machine, this is just on top. This is kind of behind. It goes around, up, around. And you thread it the same way.